The Science of Dying. 10 Unexpected Facts Death is Inevitable, yet often shrouded in fear and misinformation. Understanding the biological and neurological processes that occur as life ends can demystify the experience, making it less frightening. Here's what science reveals about the dying process facts your doctor may not explicitly discuss. The gradual decline. Most deaths aren't instantaneous. For those with chronic illness or advanced age, dying is typically a process involving a slow shutdown of bodily functions. According to medical director Zachary Pallas, MD, this manifests as slowed breathing, weakening heartbeats, dropping blood pressure, and changes in skin tone. The sequence varies, but these signs are nearly universal. The rhythm of final breaths as death approaches. Breathing doesn't simply stop, it becomes irregular. Gaps of 15-20 seconds between breaths are common. Families often panic, but this is a natural stage. The body is preparing for complete cessation. 2 stages of finality. Death isn't a single event, but a transition. Clinical death occurs when the heart stops. If resuscitation fails within 4 to 6 minutes, biological death sets in as brain cells die from oxygen deprivation. While CPR can sometimes reverse clinical death, biological death is irreversible. The reality of CPR. Popular media exaggerates CPR's effectiveness. While crucial in emergencies, survival rates are lower than commonly believed. Studies show approximately 10% survival for out-of-hospital cardiac arrests and 21% in hospitals. For those with chronic conditions, CPR may prolong suffering without meaningful recovery. Discussing resuscitation preferences with doctors and loved ones is vital. Hearing persists the longest. Contrary to popular belief, hearing is often the last sense to fade. Studies reveal that auditory systems remain responsive in hospice patients even in their final hours. This means the dying can still hear loved ones, making it essential to provide comfort and reassurance through speech. Involuntary bodily functions. Muscle relaxation after death leads to involuntary release of bodily fluids. The bladder and bowels lose neural control, resulting in urination or defecation. This is a physiological response, not a sign of disrespect or indignity. Morphine, pain relief, not hastening death. The misconception that morphine is used to induce death is false. It's administered to alleviate air hunger, the terrifying sensation of suffocating, making breathing calmer and more comfortable in final moments. Physician-assisted suicide remains illegal in most regions. The smell of decomposition. Decomposition begins rapidly after death, releasing a potent odor known as cadaverine. Within 30 minutes, the scent is detectable. This is due to bacterial activity breaking down tissues. Memories before the end. Anecdotal reports suggest some dying individuals experience vivid memories flashing before their eyes. Brain scans taken during cardiac arrest show bursts of activity associated with memory and dreaming up to 30 seconds after the heart stops. This could explain the phenomenon of life flashing before your eyes. Consciousness beyond death. Research on cardiac arrest survivors reveals that some retain consciousness even after their hearts stop beating. Up to 40% report lucid experiences, including out-of-body sensations, painlessness, and evaluation of their lives. Brain activity has been detected up to an hour after cardiac arrest, suggesting consciousness may persist in some form. In conclusion, death is not merely a biological shutdown, but a complex process with both physical and neurological dimensions. By understanding these facts, we can approach the end of life with greater knowledge, compassion, and less fear. Open communication about end-of-life wishes and medical interventions is essential for ensuring dignity and comfort during this final stage.